Delegation of the Republic of Indonesia and the representatives of the Japanese government will now enter.
どうぞ皆様、盛大な拍手でお迎えください。それではただいまより2025年日本国際博覧会インドネシア共和国ナショナルデー公式式典を開式いたします。
We will now begin the official ceremony for the 2025 Japan International Exposition National Day of the Republic of Indonesia.
はじめに両国の国歌とともに国旗を掲揚いたします。
First, we will hoist the national flags of both countries while playing their national anthems.
皆様、ご起立ください。
Please rise. Please be seated.
ここで日本政府代表者、公式参加者代表者様の順にご挨拶をいただきます。
Here, we will hear greetings from the representative of the Japanese government, followed by the representative of the official delegation.
まずは日本政府を代表して文部科学副大臣武部新よりご挨拶を申し上げます。
First, on behalf of the government of Japan, State Minister of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology, Takebe Arata would like to extend his greeting.
武部副大臣、よろしくお願いいたします。
お顔はでもインドネシアの人。
プラティクの人材育成文化担当調整大臣閣下、ご列席の皆様、本日ここにプラティクの大臣閣下ご臨席のもと、インドネシア共和国のナショナルデーの式典が開催されますことを、日本政府を代表して心からお祝いを申し上げます。
His Excellency Dr. Platikno, Coordinating Minister for Human Development and Culture, distinguished guests, on behalf of the government of Japan, I would like to express my heartfelt congratulations on the holding of the National Day ceremony of the Republic of Indonesia in the presence of His Excellency Dr. Pratikno.
日本とインドネシアは長年の友人であり、民主主義を含む基本的価値を共有する包括的戦略的パートナーです。要人往来も頻繁に行われており、2023年6月には天皇皇后両陛下が即位後初の親善訪問としてインドネシアをご訪問されています。
Japan and Indonesia are long-standing friends and comprehensive strategic partners who share fundamental values including democracy. High-level exchanges are frequent, and in June 2023, His Majesty the Emperor and Her Majesty the Empress paid their first goodwill visit to Indonesia following their accession to the throne.
今年1月にも石破総理が総理就任後初の二国間訪問先の一つとしてインドネシアを訪問し、プラボウオ大統領との間で経済や安全保障を含む幅広い分野での協力を確認いたしました。
In January of this year, Prime Minister Ishiba visited Indonesia as one of his first bilateral visits after taking office and confirmed cooperation in a wide range of fields, including the economy and security, with President Prabowo Subianto.
両国の人的交流を拡大し、昨年は約52万人のインドネシア人が訪日し、在留インドネシア人の皆様も現在約20万人に達しています。両国の市民間の交流は良好な二国間関係の基礎となっています。また本日は福田達夫衆議院議員をはじめ、両国間の交流にご尽力いただいている多くの方々にご臨席をいただいております。
People-to-people exchanges between the two countries are also expanding, with approximately 520,000 Indonesians visiting Japan last year, and the number of Indonesians residing in Japan currently reaching approximately 200,000. Exchanges between the citizens of both countries form the foundation of the good bilateral relations. Today, we are honored to have in attendance Mr. Tatsuo Fukuda, member of the House of Representatives, and many other dignitaries who have contributed greatly to exchanges between our two countries.
今後も関係者の皆様のお力添えをいただきながら、幅広い分野において二国間協力を一層強化するとともに、地域 国際社会の諸課題への取り組みについてもインドネシアとの連携を強化していきたいと考えております。
With the continued support of all concerned, we intend to further strengthen bilateral cooperation in a wide range of fields and to enhance cooperation with Indonesia in addressing various issues facing the region and the international community.
今回の博覧会において、インドネシアは調和の中で繁栄する自然、文化、未来のテーマのもと、持続可能な開発へのインドネシアの挑戦を紹介されています。今回の展示を通じ、インドネシアの魅力やメッセージが日本および世界により広く伝わることを期待しています。
At this expo, Indonesia is introducing its efforts towards sustainable development under the theme of thriving in harmony, nature, culture, and the future. We hope that this exhibition will help spread awareness of Indonesia's appeal and message to Japan and the rest of the world.
また、インドネシアの皆様にも日本のパビリオンを見ていただき、日本の魅力を改めて感じ取っていただければと思います。
We also hope that the people of Indonesia will visit the Japanese pavilions and gain a new appreciation for the charms of Japan.
最後に、インドネシアの万博への参加に関し、改めて感謝の意を表するとともに、プラティクの大臣閣下のご訪日が実り大きいものになることを心よりお祈りして、私のご挨拶とさせていただきます。
Finally, I would like to once again express my gratitude for Indonesia's participation in the World Expo and sincerely hope that the visit of His Excellency Minister Pratikno will be fruitful. With this wish, I conclude my remarks.
Terima kasih.
Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。
続きまして、インドネシア共和国を代表いただき、人材育成文化担当調整大臣、プラティクの閣下よりご挨拶を頂戴いたします。
Next, we will hear a greeting from Coordination Minister for Human Development and Culture, His Excellency Pratikno, representing the Republic of Indonesia. His Excellency, please.
His Excellency Mr. KGP Arata, State Minister Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology of Japan. Mrs. Selvi Gibran Raka Buming Raka, General Chairwoman of the National Craft Council of Indonesia and spouse of the Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia. Mrs. Titi Soeharto, who attend with us today as well. Excellencies, Commissioners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is my profound honor to stand before you today. I bring warm greeting from President Prabowo Subianto, Vice President Gibran Raka Buming Raka, and 278 million Indonesians whose energy and optimism power the largest economy in Southeast Asia. The President asked me to convey one clear message. Indonesia nation is ready for strategic partners who move now. In a world of shaping supply chains and fragile geopolitics, Indonesia offers a rare combination of political stability, resilience growth, and a fast domestic market. With the GDP set to reach 1.4 trillion US dollars this year, and a digital economy racing toward 130 billion US dollars by 2025. We are not just growing, we are redefining what is possible. Indonesia is an integrated investment platform where spectacular nature, deep culture, and modern infrastructure are converging into a single proportion, experience-driven growth with a real rhythm. Excellencies, commissioners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Indonesians are living tapestry when nature, culture, and innovation converge. As the world's largest archipelago of 17,500 islands, we are home to biodiversity hotspots and 70% of the planet coral species. Yet, the true treasure is our people. We are deeply rooted in a culture of harmony. You already know Bali, I'm so sure about it. However, Indonesia is beyond Bali. Indonesia is opening up new gateways. Lake Toba, Borobudur, Yogyakarta, Solo, Mandalika, Labuan Bajo, and Likupang. Each offers world-class attraction and sustainable growth. Add to this our sleeping giants such as Raja Ampat, Wakatobi, and Toraja, which are globally iconic and yet commercially underserved destination. These regions are ripe for investment in meeting and events, hospitality, lifestyle real estate, eco and adventure tourism, and smart tourism technology. For visionary investors, Indonesia's tourism sector offers not just untapped beauty, but a clear runway for high-impact ventures. However, Indonesia is more than the tourism industry. Indonesia is also on track to become a global solution for food security, both on land and at the sea. Our manufacturing sector is rapidly advancing in various fields, from automotive and electronic to textile and pharmaceutical. With our democratic bonus, high quality education, and a vast domestic market, Indonesia is ready to support global supply chains and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, excellencies, commissioners, distinguished guests. President Prabowo directive is explicit in supporting our partnership. Make it easy, make it fair, and make it future-proof. Concretely, that means fast-track licensing, best-in-class incentive, including tax holidays, duty-free capital goods, project-linked fiscal support, co-investment in infrastructure development, as well as a talent pipeline. In short, the government of Indonesia shoulders the basic risk, allowing private capital to focus more on innovation and guest experience. Again, I thank you for your enthusiastic participation and look forward to welcoming you not only as a visitor, but more importantly, as a strategic partner. And of course, we do hope that you will visit Indonesian Pavilion. From harmony comes strength, from partnership comes progress, and from this moment, let us strive together to build a more resilient, peaceful, and sustainable world for all of us, especially for Indonesia and Japan. Terima kasih. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you.
それでは引き続き公式祭事へと移らせていただきます。
We will now proceed to the official special event.
公式祭事はインドネシアパビリオンのテーマであるスライビング・イン・ハーモニー、調和と繁栄に沿ってインドネシアの美しさ、人々の力強さ、豊かな文化がシームレスに調和し、魅力的なビジュアルとともに皆様へご紹介いたします。
Let us introduce today's special event. In line with the Indonesia Pavilion's theme, Thriving in Harmony. This event will showcase the beauty of Indonesia, the strength of its people, and the richness of its culture, seamlessly blended into harmony and perfectly translated into a compelling visual experience.
Have you ever stopped just for a while and wondered why the world makes you smile? Maybe it's because beauty wears many faces. Found in soft voices in faraway places. Where leaves of life speak, the air starts to sing. And light dances slowly on everything. It moves through the people, their strength, and their grace. In the warmth of a thread, in the lines of a face. It lingers and kneels in spice. In the air, in hands that prepare it with love and with care. Here, the past and the present walk side by side. As tomorrow begins with the stars as its guide. A future where all that we do and we see leads to a world thriving in harmony. So, come as you are. Bring question, bring wonder, bring time you can spend. We welcome every heart, every hand, every soul, to walk through this story, to feel something whole. Come aboard the Indonesia Pavilion. This is our journey, and now, it's yours too.
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, before I continue, I again would like to acknowledge the presence of our very special guest in this very special event, our Coordinating Minister for Human Development and Culture, Mr. His Excellency Professor Pratikno. State Minister of Education, Culture, Sport, Science and Technology of Japan, His Excellency Takebe Arata. Her Excellency Selvi Ananda Gibran Rakabuming Raka, who is the wife of our Vice President, and she's also the General Chairwoman of the National Craft Council of Indonesia. We have also the presence of our colleagues, the distinguished members of the Parliaments of the Republic of Indonesia, under the leadership of Her Excellency Ibu Titi Soeharto. My very good friend in the Parliament, because I was member of the Parliament back then, who is now our ambassador in Japan, His Excellency Heri Ahmadi. Vice Minister of National Planning, His Excellency Febrian Rudia. And most of all, you all, dear friends of Indonesia. I'm Tantowi Yahya. I'm so privileged to be given a chance to guide you through this very beautiful journey, exploring all the beauties of one of the largest countries in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, speaking about Indonesia, then we have to speak about one of the largest archipelago in the world. It's a country of nearly 280 million people living in more than 15,000 islands that spread as long as West Coast and East Coast of America, that big. And it's a nation whose people speak more than 700 languages. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia is now recorded is the third largest democracy after India and USA, the fourth populous country in the world after China, India, and the United States, and the most Muslim populous country in the world. So ladies and gentlemen, talking about Indonesia, then we talk about one of the most diverse and multicultural country in the world. I'm so privileged and honored to be given a chance to host this country in New Zealand for 5 years when I was entrusted as the ambassador of Indonesia in New Zealand and some countries in the Pacific. So ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to lead you to a very beautiful journey. I'm talking about a very good story. It was said by our minister, in a word that shaped and sways, there is a nation stands calling for brighter days. Along the equator's golden line, where ocean meets and hopes align. A land where differences walk as one, with roots celebrated and countless dreams begun. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our story.
Welcome to Indonesia, the land of harmony. Here, the sea meets the sky in an endless journey. This is a story from ancestors who dared to sail, the stars as their guide, the tide as their trail. They follow the winds with hope as their song. Bound across islands, united and strong, we are the children of the archipelago. Together, we journey where the horizons glow. Come, join our voyage of visions and courage to a brighter future where we all belong.
Yeah.
Pancasila. Pancasila are the 5 pillars of our state. We seek to build a better world.
Cita-cita pembangunan kita, bahkan perjuangan kita adalah tercapainya masa takdir dan untuk berjatuh daripada Pancasila.
Keanekaragaman dari suku itu justru menjadi sumber daya motor kekuatan untuk melaksanakan perubahan-perubahan yang menguntungkan seluruh bangsa yang hidup di sini.
Kita akan tetap terus sebagai bangsa yang sama walaupun berbeda-beda keyakinan.
Pemuda-pemudi Indonesia menatap masa depan dengan penuh gagah berani untuk kita bisa berdiri di atas kaki sendiri.
Bahwa bangsa Indonesia sejak era kemerdekaan hingga sekarang ini adalah bangsa yang tangguh, pantang menyerah, dan memiliki daya juang yang kuat.
Persatuan kita, bahwa kerukunan kita, bahwa kerja keras dan kegotong royongan kita dapat membawa Indonesia melompat lebih tinggi lagi.
Kita bangun Indonesia di atas landasan yang sudah dirintis oleh pendahulu-pendahulu kita. Indonesia harus segera swasembada pangan dalam waktu yang sesingkat-singkatnya. Bahkan kita siap menjadi lumbung pangan dunia.
Feel the earth, breathe the air, listen to the stream, behold our past, carry our dreams. Echoing our story that lives on in an everlasting song, Bengawan Solo.
Feel
golden days when we laughed, we loved, we learned. This is 17.
Masihkah kau mengingat di saat kita masih 17, waktu dimana tangga-tangga merah terasa sungguh meriah. Masihkah kau ingat cobaan terberat kita matematika? Masihkah kau ingat lagu di radio yang merdu mengudara? Kita masih sebebas itu, rasa takut yang tak pernah mengganggu, batas naluri bahaya. Dulu tingginya lebih di logika. Namun jiwaku tetap di sana. Oh, di masa di masa naluri bahaya. Oh ya ya, dulu tingginya lebih di logika.
It's a rhythm built from yours and mine. We move in difference, and still we move through. Sepatu.
Senang bila diajak berlalu kencang, tapi aku takut kamu kelelahan. Tak masalah bila terkena hujan, tapi aku takut kamu kedinginan di Keep hari ulang tahunku. Dimanapun kalian berada, ku kirimkan terima kasih untuk pernah dalam hidupku dan banyak kenangan indah. Kau melukis aku, ya. Kita tak pernah tahu berapa lama kita diberi waktu. Jika aku pergi lebih dulu, jangan lupakan aku. Ini lagu untukmu, ungkapan terima kasihku, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Lembah monokrom hitam putih, aku coba ingat warna demi warna di hidupku. Takkan ku mengenal cinta bila bukan karena hati baikmu, oh yeah.
Strength lives in us from the start. A gift shaped by the hands of God. We are and have always been manusia kuat.
Kau bisa patahkan kakiku, tapi tidak mimpi-mimpiku. Kau bisa lumpuhkan tanganku, tapi tidak mimpi-mimpiku. Kau bisa merebut senyumku, tapi sungguh tak akan lama. Kau bisa merobek hatiku, tapi aku tahu obatnya. Oh, manusia manusia kuat, itu kita jiwa-jiwa yang kuat. Itu kita manusia manusia kuat, itu kita jiwa-jiwa yang kuat. Itu kita. Bila bukan kehendak aku,
This is the melody passed down through generation, and the love for the land we call home. This is a song of hope and unity. This is Indonesia, thriving in harmony. Tanah airku.
Tanah airku tidak kulupakan, ganjarkan selama hidupku, biarpun saya pergi jauh, tidak akan hilang dari kalbu. Tanahku yang ku cintai, engkau ku hargai.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being part of what we honor, what we hold, and what we continue to become. The curtain may fall, but our story lives on. We would like to thank, a big thank to some friends who have walked with us, to a very special friend, Astra. We would like to thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, Direktur Astra, Ibu Gita Tiffany Bur, Chief of Corporate Affairs Astra, Bapak Boy Kelana Subroto. Thank you very much, and most of all, thank you everyone. Come, discover more, visit our Indonesia Pavilion.
とうございました。インドネシアの皆さんの心が伝わってくる本当に感動的なステージでした。
Thank you very much. What a wonderful performances.
今一度大きな拍手をお送りください。ありがとうございました。それではここでインドネシア共和国代表団の皆様がご退席されます。
The delegation from the Republic of Indonesia will now take their leave.
どうぞ皆様大きな拍手でお送りください。
前の歌手の方はすごく有名な方。最後に歌った曲はあれは前から昔からの曲。勉強になりました。ちょっと楽しんでください。